Hello guys. So I just ordered the new ab twister that I've been seeing on YouTube. Um, so I want to do an unboxing, and I would like for you guys to be here when I do it. So this is how it supposedly looks. So let's open it and see. So guys, this is how it looks. It's pretty lightweight, which is what I like. You know, because you move it around to wherever you would like the room or whatever, and it's pretty lightweight. It comes with this resistant knob. It's adjustable where you can change the resistance depending on how easy you would like it or how hard you would like it. So that's the resistance knob. And it also comes with a pamphlet, instructions, and it's just pretty much just telling you how to use it, how long to use it, and all of that, and all the parts that come with it. So the resistance bands is also what it comes with. It has two of those, and you would pretty much just attach it to the sides of the twister. So here it is. This is how it looks with the bands attached to the side. So that's it. But I have an ab twister that I've had for years. Look at this one. So different. But you would just stand on it like that, put your feet on it, and you would just twist from side to side. So yeah, this is my old one. I've had this, I can't tell you how many years I've had this. So look at that one compared to this one. Yes, the difference is something else. I actually love this new one better. You see, it goes like this, and my legs are able to be wider, which give me a better balance, you know. So I like this one way better than the round one, because my feet seem to have been so close together that it wasn't giving me a really good balance like I like. You see the difference? The blue one is so much smaller than that one right there. But guys, I'm gonna try this out, and that will be my next video.